Thank you for purchasing one of our wedding templates. Right after your purchase is complete, you will receive an email with a link to the Corjl website. There you can create an account that will hold your product as well as offer tools to edit and save your file in the correct format for printing. If you did not receive an email after your purchase, I will also be showing an alternative way to get your product along the way. To proceed, click the customer login at the top right. Here you will see two options. Since this is most likely your first time here, go ahead and click on the New Order button. Then it asks you where you purchased your product. Go ahead and set it to a shop on Etsy. Click Next. Now I do suggest to make an account to easily store your saved work. However, as long as you have your order ID, you can place it in the top box here. If not, sign up on the below box and click Open Order. Once you have signed up and confirmed your account, you now can have access to your product. With Corjl, you will have a multitude of tools to modify, add, or remove objects and text to your heart's content. I've gone ahead and opened a design in demo mode to show you around the interface. To start off, on the top right of the workplace, you'll see an assortment of actions. These are used to add your own images or more text boxes to the piece. For instance, on this piece, you are able to put an engagement photo or a photo that you love and replace the one I have here as a placement. First, you just go and click Add New Image. Proceed to choose your picture of choice. Afterwards, it will display on the screen, usually showing up at the top of the Layers panel. This means that it will be above all other objects on the piece, hiding everything below it on the Layers panel. In this case, we want to resize and place the layer in the respective spot like this. Once you are satisfied with those changes, you can go ahead and save your work. In demo mode, you cannot save. However, depending on the design you choose, the correct printing file types to save your artwork will be the only choices available. If you are unsure about the file type, go back to the product page and in the description, it'll explain each file type to you. Also, with each element on your piece, you can also change the color and manipulate it further with styles. First, you select the part you wish to modify and click Style Image. Depending on the element, my prefix will already have settings changed that you can play around with to suit your needs. For more information, please read the detail sections on the product page. Thank you again for choosing BrideQT, and if you have any questions, feel free to message me on Etsy, or you can leave a comment down below, and I will do my best to assist everyone.